What you're looking at will end up in millions of bathrooms worldwide. But its journey begins in the most unexpected place. From animal fat to clean hair.
This factory produces 2 million bottles of shampoo every month. Each one follows the same journey we've witnessed.
Behind every product you trust is a supply chain of staggering complexity. Hundreds of workers, dozens.
Integration into daily routine. This bottle will be reached for dozens of times, becoming part of the rhythm of life.
Welcome to one of South Asia's largest shampoo production facilities, where raw materials become the product you trust every day.
Scan clear. Proceed inside. Next in line, please.
Quickly now.
Sealed and transported under strict temperature control, these drums will travel to the shampoo factory within hours.
Over 40 different ingredients will unite to create a single bottle of shampoo, total, each one stored, tracked, and measured with precision.
Tallow ground, purified animal fat, one of the oldest sources for creating the surfactants that make shampoo clean your hair.
The tallow arrives solid, but for shampoo production, it must first be liquefied and broken down at the molecular level.
The journey of shampoo begins at rendering facilities, where animal byproducts are transformed into pure, cosmetic-grade tallow.
At exactly 60 degrees Celsius, tallow melts uniformly. Tallow when metals.
When tallow meets alkaline solutions, a transformation begins. Long-chain fatty acids are cleaved from glycerin.
Salt. Yes, ordinary sodium chloride is shampoo's secret weapon. Too little and it's runny.
Carefully balanced for effectiveness and gentleness.
First comes viscosity control. Without thickening agents, shampoo would be as thin as water, impossible to control in the shower.
Only 0.5% of shampoo is fragrance, but it's added last and mixed gently. Aggressive mixing?
This tiny vial costs more than all the other shampoo ingredients combined.
Heated to precise temperatures, this tallow will become the foundation for fatty acids, the building blocks of shampoo's cleaning power. Color is psychology. This pearlescent blue signals clean and fresh to consumers. The dye is FDA.
Efficiency through repetition. While one shampoo batch mixes, another cools, a third undergoes quality sampling.
Humans used to measure every ingredient by hand. Now, robotic systems dose with milligram precision. Precision neutralization brings the pH down from levels to the gentle 5.5 that won't damage hair.
Every shampoo is different. This batch is formulated for dry hair, meaning extra conditioning agents, specific pH.
This is where chemistry becomes art. The operator monitors every variable as the tallow undergoes saponification. This is the marriage, animal and plant sources combining to create the surfactant blend that will become shampoo as we know it.
The shampoo is now perfect, but it's not in bottles yet. Transfer pumps move it gently to prevent foam formation, keeping the formula stable.
These crude surfactants are still too harsh for shampoo. They'll need refinement, neutralization, and blending with gentler compounds. Gravity becomes the ally. These holding tanks feed the filling machines below, maintaining constant pressure for perfect dosing.
This pipeline connects creation to packaging, the bridge between chemistry and consumer product.
This pipeline carries the day's production, enough shampoo base to fill 50,000 bottles, all flowing toward the next critical stage.
6 hours down the road for raw tallow to finished shampoo formula. 10,000 liters of perfect consist fragrance.
UV sterilization is the final safeguard, killing any bacteria that might shorten shampoo's shelf life.
These bottles arrived from the injection molding plant this morning, pristine, sterile, and ready to receive shampoo. Even caps require precision. This vibratory bowl feeder uses physics to automatically orient thousands of caps per hour.
Does it feel right? Does it foam properly? Is the fragrance consistent? These questions can only be answered by human touch.
Too loose and shampoo leaks. Too tight and consumers can't open it. Torque sensors ensure every cap is applied.
Even microscopic dust can contaminate shampoo. Ionized air eliminates staticling and blasts away particles invisible to the human eye.
This machine fills 1,200 bottles per hour. The shampoo never touches air until it's safely sealed in the bottle.
Precision is measured in milliseconds. Each nozzle fills to exactly 400 milliliters, with a tolerance of just 2 milliliters, the thickness of a coin.
Automation catches most defects, but human eyes are still essential. Random spot checks ensure the machines are doing their job correctly.
This is manufacturing at scale. What once took craftsmen hours now happens in seconds, but the chemistry remains the same as it was a century ago.
Artificial intelligence checks every bottle. Cameras capture 30 images per second, and machine learning algorithms reject any.
The label is the brand. Every color, every font, every legal requirement, all compressed onto a few square inches of carefully designed print.
600 cartons per hour, 28,000 bottles of shampoo, all coded, tracked, and ready for the next phase of their journey.
Packaging consumes nearly as much energy as the shampoo production itself. Every carton, every bundle.
From anonymous plastic to recognizable product find, the label transforms shampoo from chemistry into commerce. Transformation complete. These 4-packs are now ready for cardboard cartons, the final layer before shipping.
Shrink wrap film is just 50 microns thick, thinner than a human hair, yet strong enough to hold 4 bottles together through shipping and handling.
Now comes the transformation. These loose film wrappings are about to become tight, professional retail packages.
For the final seal, before they begin their journey to warehouses across the region.
Hot melt adhesive sets in 3 seconds, creating a bond stronger than the cardboard itself. These shampoo cartons won't open until a box cutter slices them at the retail store.
Modern warehousing is a digital chess game. Every square foot is accounted for, every product's age is known, every shipment optimized for efficiency.
Palletizing is geometric art. Each layer interlocks with the one below, creating structural stability for stacks that will reach 7 feet tall.
Stretch film is pulled to 300% of its relaxed length, creating tension that locks cartons together. After wrapping, the film...
Now comes protection. These stacks are stable, but shipping forces are unpredictable. Stretch wrap will
first in, first out. Older production is always shipped first, ensuring fresh shampoo reaches consumers while maintaining minimum waste. Wrapped, protected, and ready for the warehouse. This pallet will survive forklifts, truck vibrations, and loading dock impacts without a single bottle damaged. Efficiency through automation. Where human workers once spent hours stacking boxes, robots now complete pallets in zero tolerance for movement. Even an inch of sliding can topple an entire pallet stack, destroying thousands of dollars of shampoo.
Commercial transport is regulated to the minute. Every light must work, every connection must be secure, every safety system must be functional.
Truck loading is 3-dimensional Tetris. Every pallet must fit perfectly with minimal wasted space while maintaining weight distribution for safe driving.
And so the shampoo departs, from chemistry to commerce, from factory to fulfillment.
Store 0147, population density high, foot traffic constant. Shampoo sales velocity?
Shelf placement is strategic. Eye-level products sell fastest. High-margin items get prime position. Consumer psychology guides every decision.
The surfactants derived from tallow and coconut oil now perform their molecular purpose, lifting dirt and oil from hair.